In front of me is OSCAL Tiger 12, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. Firstly, open Devices Settings and tap on Wallpaper and Personalization right away. Following that, select Icon section under Wallpaper and then tap on one of those options next to Icon Size to apply the best one. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, after that, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!